Yo, what up, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Rio, man. It has been a while since we've last seen each other, man, but a lot has happened since. So I've been meaning to put out videos. In the span of 4 months that I've been absent, I've been meaning to put out videos, but I was like, how am I gonna make a video when like last time you saw Integra was this and now it's this? So I needed to make a video explaining all that's happened in the past couple months to catch you guys up. But yeah, no, I needed to make a video to catch you guys up upon what has happened, and then after I caught you guys up, we can go from there and I can start continuing posting more videos weekly, if that makes sense. So this is what this video is today, and as you read by the title, the Integra got a new motor. As usual, I Russ'd it, you know, I did it myself. Painted the car, also Russ'd it. But yeah, also, I'm gonna need to pick up a new lens, or no, I'm gonna need to pick up a new vlogging camera specifically just for the channel, because I sold my old Sony a6000. I had a little cash on top, and then I bought this camera right here. It's a really good camera. Honestly, surprisingly, the video quality is mint. But I don't want to risk damaging this camera because this is my photography camera. Just to let you guys know how much it costs, I could have bought a JFro for the price of this camera, but I didn't. So we got quality. I sold my friend my old Sony a3000 a while ago. I'm gonna try to go ahead and pick that up today or next couple days. We'll see what happens. But yeah, shit. Let's go check out the Integra. Alright guys, hope you guys enjoyed that painting shot. Let's go talk about it now. Yeah, paint's definitely a lot better than what it used to be. It used to be all cracking, but it's better now. Alright, let's talk about the interior. So not a lot has changed about the interior. I did install a switch panel because it's super race car. It is functional too. So it kinda makes it a lot harder to steal the car. And I still gotta use the key, so what's not to love, you know? There's my shifter. I think I did the install video on this. Maybe I didn't. And the interior is the same, except I got an X-Bar. So, if you guys have ever wondered if a EK X-Bar will fit in an Integra, yes, but you gotta really want it to fit. I put the bolts on, and I want you to know those bolts ain't never coming out again. Alright guys, so here it is. I built my B20VTEC. So let's talk about it. It's pretty much stock. It's a stock GSR head with a stock B20 block mated to an LS transmission. Skunk 2 Pro Series intake manifold, still the stock throttle body. I need to upgrade to a 70mm throttle body, which would be amazing. So if you're a company out there that makes 70mm throttle bodies, slide in my DMs, you know? That'd be pretty cool. And I also got, obviously, the Skunk 2 strut bar, and yeah, man, it looks really good. And then I actually am using my AEM intake, which I need to repolish because it looks bad. Let's see what else. Still using the LS distributor. I just cut off one of the ears, and it's working fine. People say that it leaks, but honestly, bro, it don't leak, bro. It doesn't leak. Mine hasn't leaked in like the last couple months. Obviously, we got the fuel pressure gauge, which I highly recommend, dude. Oh my god, it's a must-have. And then we got my catch can set up. I bet you guys didn't even notice that. B20 motor breathes through the head. So we throw a VTEC head on, the block itself cannot breathe. Yeah, we had a catch can to help the motor breathe and prevent blow-by and help relieve some of the pressure in the crankcase. So there it is. So this is an eBay brand one. It's venting to the atmosphere. 2 of these fittings go to the back of the block, and I bought those fittings from Honda. It is tuned, but then yeah, we got full bolt-ons. Obviously, still got my PLM big tube header. One of the things I really like is, obviously, you know, this AEM intake comes out right there. There's the filter, right? So I chose a lip that looked really good for the 97 front, and in addition to that, it is also functional because that duct pushes air right into the air filter. So I feel like that was a very functional choice. Also, if you have a 97 Integra and you have a case swap, you could use that duct for the air intake. So it's a functional lip, man. I got it off eBay for like 70 bucks, and it looks good, man. I like it. Yeah, if you guys want me to get more in depth into the build, let me know. But that's mostly it. So if you guys have any B20VTEC questions, bro, let me know, bro. I'm your boy. I got you. I can answer any questions you guys might have about that. Let's see what else. Yeah, man, actually, come to think of it, I feel like that's about it. Wow, I thought I had a lot more to share with you guys, but apparently I don't. Apparently that's... Alright, you guys, so on that note, this will conclude the video for today. I honestly felt like I had a lot more to talk about. I don't know why I've been dreading making this video for a while, but that's about it with the car. Always, hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe if you already have. So I'll see you guys next video, which will be hopefully soon. Yeah, man, expect a video. Till next time.